Hi, to enable or disable hotspot on your OnePlus Nord free, as a first step, open settings and go in the connections and sharing. And now just select personal hotspot, and here we can enable it, disable and manage. So now it is enabled because you can see that it light up blue, but if we tap on it once more it will be disabled. Now after that we can select its settings, and here we can change the name. For example, let's add an emoji, and after that we can also change the password here. You can tap on this eye and hide the password. Right here you can switch to the 2.4 GHz, or you can leave the 5 GHz. You can hide your hotspot so it can only be connected to manually, and you can enable to use Wi-Fi 6, which provides a faster connection. When you are done with the changes, just tap the save button, and that is how it looks. Also, you can enable or disable automatically turn off personal hotspot after 10 minutes of not being used. And to reach the hotspot feature faster, we just need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, then swipe again, swipe left, and here's your personal hotspot. If it's light up blue like that, then it is enabled, but if we tap it once more, it will be disabled. Also, you can press and hold it, and it will move you to its settings. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.